Now it's on.
Hi guys, and today I'm with my friend Molly, and I've got a new kitten here. Her name is Cinders. So say hello, Cinders. Okay. Now
And just to say, guys, I'm on the camera.
she's just here with me.
Woohoo!
I'm just gonna let her go. And look, oh yeah.
We made it actually. It's like we take turns of doing it. I actually did it on the other video. If you saw that.
Woo!
Stop being mean to your poor kitty.
Okay, look at this. Look at this. It's so funny. So you put it up here like this, and then look. Oh, woo! She was okay with it. I done it a million times. Don't tell anybody. And then I just got this new skipping rope yesterday, and then she's gonna. Oh! Okay. She is tired enough. And then look. Woo! Oh, stop! So I had her for 1 week, and I just got her Friday.
Not Friday.
Yes, I did. And I'm just going to jumpy.
Okay, guys, it's my den in a minute.
So, thank you for watching. Bye.
We'll make another
Bye.
video in a minute. Boom, boom. Wait. Just wait a minute. Wait. Light and